All right, hi everybody. This is week 3. I just wanted to give you a little video of what we went over in class as a reminder if you were there. And if you weren't, then we did some hand motions and things just to let you know what the kiddos learned this week. So with timeline, we just sang the song and we did some hand motions. If you want to do them, you can. We started with Hinduism. It's like this: Hinduism in India. Phoenicians is like a boat. Phoenicians and the alphabet is A and B, alphabet. Olmecs of Mesoamerica is with O's around your face. They had big head statues that they were famous for. So Olmecs of Mesoamerica, Israelite Exodus, and desert wandering. It's just wandering like that, like you're wandering. Israelite Conquest and Judges is like a judges scale, kind of. Israelite Conquest and Judges. Greek Dark Ages, and then Israel's United Kingdom is like that, uniting, and then kind of going like this in a circle. So that's what we went over with timeline. With geography, here's the different countries right here. We just put Play-Doh over them. So we had a Play-Doh Ireland and England and France and Spain and Portugal right there. And then with our science, we just learned herbivore, carnivore, and omnivore and what they ate, and we had pictures of them and put them on a different page for which one. They just did a sorting thing. And then with Latin, I had little flashcards of how to pronounce them. It's bombas bot, bombus batis bont. So that's hard for little mouths to say all that. But so we drew a little bomb picture, and you can do fun little things with pictures and stuff if you want. The hand motions for history, I just came up with some because it was easy and fun for us to do here. So it's Richard the lion. We did like a lion, hearted. Sun in sign language is like this. So you're kind of saluting. Son of Eleanor of Aquitaine, so they're agricultural people, so that Aquitaine. Richard the lion-hearted, son of Eleanor of Aquitaine, fought the Turks, so they're like doing kind of a bow and arrow. Fought the Turks for Jerusalem, so here's a J, doing a J for Jerusalem, and then I looked up the sign for Jerusalem, and that's what it was, a J, and then doing that. Fought the Turks for Jerusalem during the time, we just pointed to our wrist, of the Crusades. So that's fighting, crusades. So it's pounding your fists and then going like this. From 1095 to 1291. So that's all we did for history. And then we repeated with our hands, got faster and did it a little sillier maybe. With math, we were just repeating our song of sixes. Basically, the fives were pretty easy for everyone. But we played stop and drop like a rock, where you just kind of walk around the class and you stop and drop like a rock. And then you tap somebody and they say it with you. And then they get to tap the next person. And then we all say it. Tap the next person. We all say it. So it's just a way to get everybody saying it together and hearing it, even if you're not saying it. With our science, we did where you were in a class where we did spinning to show that the rocks around Saturn are reflecting light from the sun, so we can see them, and just showing that these are the rocks, and that the space in between but they're spinning so fast it makes it look like it's a ring. So this was a fun little thing that we could do. You could use a spinning top or anything else that you have that spins. Might be fun for your kids to play with and have fun with during the week. And then with fine arts, we just drew things up on the board upside down. You could take any line drawing picture, anything you think of in your head, whatever they want to do, something simple. Start drawing from the top and working your way down, and they have fun guessing. They have a lot of different ideas, and that's the whole point of it, because drawing upside down is just supposed to turn it upside down in your head. You're not supposed to know exactly what you're drawing, and it helps you draw it differently, and then when you turn it over, then you can see the cool picture you made. So anyways, that's basically what we did in class today. I'm trying to think if I need to let y'all know anything else. I did find this from one of the mamas in the tutor group that shows just how, because we write God in the center of all of our subjects, and he is the center of our universe and our hearts. So we try to relate him to all of our things that we're studying. And so this is just a little I'll start reading this in class too, if that's okay with y'all. And so any questions that you have from me or any concerns you have, just let me know. You can message me or text or call if you need to. But anyways, we have so much fun with your kiddos, and Sienna's watching us over there. Hi, Sienna. So anyways, just let me know if you need anything, and I will see you next week. Bye.